So it just ignition twice, then let the window up, bam. We start with the window down so we can peel it, and then after we get it halfway, let the window up. Yeah. This stuff really come off like butter. You see it just coming off. So right now I can trap that steam under there. See it flowing out to the left or your right. Yep, and once you let it warm up, comes right on over. So that's 1 out of 5. Yeah, Straw Hat Gang merch in the community. Y'all want some Straw Hat Gang shirts? Had my rear window retinted a few weeks back. Old one was ceramic. Two and about 4 years old. It's normal for the heater line to come up with the removal. I got that too. So it just depends, right? So you got some tint, like you can see this one got like a little purple little hue. I don't know. It's purplish, like when I hold it up to the TV. Like if you look by the TV, it look kind of light purplish. It look like that on the car. But it depends. Like I done removed some tint before, and it was so bad that you gotta take a razor blade and kind of cut it dig in it real bad, and that will kind of damage it. So it really depends. Like the tint I use on a professional basis, once I used it, say for instance, if a customer didn't like it and I had to take it off and redo it, I don't have no problem doing that. But like when I take off like a custom tint, like they just brought the car from somewhere else, it might remove the defrost lines, or you know, it might been on there for so long that it's just so bad, and it's just hard to say. But yeah, defrost line normally get damaged. I hate to say it. I mean, you can use one of these, but like you can tell because the tint I have the copper from the defrost lines on the tint. So, and that happens all the time. That's why it's best to do it right the first time. You know, I know sometimes it be pricey. Sometimes it's not your fault. Sometimes you buy a car with the tint being bad. But if you got the opportunity to do it right the first time, you know what I'm saying, I would just go on and pay and do it right. Because you get some shit with some purple shit, and you got to take it off, you kind of got to blame yourself. But if you bought the car like that, you know, that ain't your fault. You know what I'm saying? Just get a new back windshield. It's unfortunate, but yeah. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna come on the inside of this. Yep. But yeah, I try to save them, but it's kind of hard to save them. Xavier, it's your birthday. What's up? What's up, Charles? That a Joy Boy? I don't know what that is. So I won't get this side. Yes, sir. Yeah, so they're removing tint. They use a steam gun first to warm tint, like so. Kind of give it a start. Then once it started, I'll give it a couple of nicks at the top. Yeah, you can get the Straw Hat Gang t-shirt in the community. Y'all go check my store out. Join the Straw Hat crew. Get the merch. Grab you a t-shirt, grab you a hoodie. Get it while supplies last. Oh, shit, damn that motherfucker hot. Damn that cord hot motherfucker.